ମୋତେ ଭୋକ ଲାଗୁଛି। I am hungry. I am hungry. ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ୍ ରୁହ, ଖାଇବା ହେଇଯିବ। Dinner will be ready in a minute. Dinner will be ready in a minute. ତରତର ହୁଅ ନାହିଁ। Don't be hasty. Don't be hasty. ଆମେ ଏମିତି କହିଥାଉ ଯେ ମୋ ପେଟରେ ମୂଷା ଦୌଡ଼ୁଛି, ମାନେ ମୋତେ ଜୋରରେ ଭୋକ ଲାଗୁଛି। ଏହାକୁ ଆମେ ଇଂଲିଶରେ କହିବା I am famished. I am famished. ମୁଁ ଭୋକ ମରିଗଲାଣି। I lost my hunger. I lost my hunger. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ଖାଅ ନାହିଁ। All right, don't eat. All right, don't eat. ଦେଖିକି ଖାଅ, ଖାଇବା ଗରମ ଅଛି। Be careful, food is hot. Be careful, food is hot. ଛାଟି ଛାଟି ଖାଅ ନାହିଁ। Don't be such picky eater. Don't be such picky eater. ସବୁ ଖାଅ, ମାନେ ଖାଇବା ପୁରା କର। ଏହାକୁ ଆମେ ଇଂଲିଶରେ କହିବା finish your whole meal. Finish your whole meal. ଯେତିକି ଭୋକ ଲାଗୁଛି ସେତିକି ଖାଅ। Eat as per appetite. Eat as per appetite. ମୋତେ ଶୁଶୁ ଲାଗୁଛି। I need to pee. I need to pee. ମୋତେ ଝାଡ଼ା ଲାଗୁଛି। I need to poop. I need to poop. ଅପେକ୍ଷା କର, ବାଥରୁମ୍ରେ କିଏ ଅଛନ୍ତି? Wait, washroom is engaged. Wait, washroom is engaged. ମୋତେ ଜୋରରେ ଲାଗୁଛି। The pressure is immense. The pressure is immense. ଖଟ ଉପରେ ଖାଇବା ପକାଅ ନାହିଁ, ପିମ୍ପୁଡ଼ି ଆସିଯିବେ। Don't spill the food on the bed. It may attract ants. Don't spill the food on the bed. It may attract ants. ମୋର ଏଠି ବାଡ଼େଇ ହେଇଯାଇଛି। I have got hurt. I have got hurt. ଏଥିରେ ମୋର କିଛି ଦୋଷ ନାହିଁ। It's not my fault. It's not my fault. ତମେ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିଥିଲ। You had started. You had started. ଏଠି ଆସି ବସ। Come and sit here. Come and sit here. ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଛାଡ଼ିବିନି। I will not spare him. I will not spare him.